friends, good evening. Thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you for stopping back by. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I would absolutely love to have you as a subby friend. And if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. So I have been collecting the things that I need for Easter for a long time. Now I haven't been able to shop recently, which none of us have. So I'm hoping that I'm not missing anything. And I am going to just quickly put together Easter baskets and show you guys how I do it. So as you can see, I have a whole bunch of Easter baskets. And I did a video on these where I just did the heat transfer vinyl on the names on the little bunny ears, and I'll link that down below if you're interested. So as you can see, I have a whole bunch of baskets to do. So many of these are for my nursing team members and then also for my family. So the majority of them are for my nursing team, and I just want to get these all put together before I don't have an opportunity to. So I'm just going to quick kind of give you an overview of what I have, and then I'm going to put it on fast mode and put them all together. So these adorable little Easter baskets here I got from Dollar Tree. How cute are they? I love them so much, and I love the fact that I could personalize them with like their names and stuff. And I got Easter grass, so from Dollar Tree and Target, kind of a combination. And then I have my shrink wraps for my Easter baskets. I get those at Dollar Tree. Fortunately, I know people kind of make fun of me for my hoards. However, look, I have these and I'm so grateful right now. Now, some more Easter baskets. This cute little chick is going to be for my niece. And then my daughter, her husband, and my grandson are all going to be the soccer balls because they have their, soccer membership there where they go and watch the Orlando soccer team and all of that stuff. They love that stuff. So I sort of have stuff somewhat set out, somewhat not. Now I got all kinds of just really good stuff, and a lot of this I've shown you guys in hauls as I've gone along because like I said, I've been collecting for a long time to have these for people. So this is my niece, this is my other niece. Now my husband's little ones, I still have to get a few things for theirs, so I'm not doing theirs tonight. Theirs are still in the room. Now I want to real quick show you these books. So when you're in Dollar Tree, don't deny the books. Oh my gosh, they get some of the most amazing books. Now some of these are for baskets. The majority of these are actually for me, but I wanted to show you because I got them recently. So look, Oodles of Noodles. How amazing is that? So this one is actually for my daughter. Braid it. So one of these, I got one of these for my husband's daughter, my stepdaughter. I hate to even say that because she's mine. I love her to death. But I know a lot of people realize that I have the one daughter. My husband and I have his two also. They don't live with us, but nonetheless, they're amazing. I love them. Love them. So I got one of these for her, and then I got one of these for my niece, and it is, but look at this book. It's crazy. There's just so much nice stuff in it, and it was $14.95. And then how about this? The Dry Bar. Good for all hair types. So I got one of these for two of my nieces. Now, this one is my noodle book, but I also wanted to show you, look at this book. So these are mine. I'm totally going to use this. The Bootleg Bakery. Look at that. So these are all like bookstore books that just end up at the Dollar Tree. How about this? Oh my gosh. Look at that. I mean, it is amazing. Tea and Treats. How pretty. I mean, the book is just beautiful. Beautiful. Family cookbook. 150 really quick and very fast recipes. I mean, beautiful. And then this one is Contemporary Mexican Cuisine, which is my absolute favorite. I mean, this is just amazing. So I thought that I would share those with you and just tell you, because the thing is, I never used to look at the books in Dollar Tree. I would go for my couple little things I was looking for, and then I saw somebody, Thrifty Tiffany is who it was. Oh my gosh, if you haven't seen her, she is so cute. I don't know her, but we could totally be friends. Like, she is so cute. But anyway, I was watching a haul one time, and she was showing all these cookbooks. And since then, I've been looking in the books, and I find amazing books. So since I got that great tip, I just wanted to just send it on to you guys. All right, so let's go over here. I made homemade spaghetti sauce last night. Don't mind my crock pot. The rest of the dishes are in the dishwasher, but I need to clean that, so sorry. I've got like grandson stuff. Now this is all like candy for the different baskets. And then I've got Easter eggs all made up with candy. Look how cute. Aren't these just like to die for cute? I mean, look at these. It's a little elephant. Oh, so cute. And then I'm just going to come around here. I've got some goodies in there, and then I've got some different things. So look at it, all these different hard candies. I got different hard candies, the lipsticks. And then this is the Slumber, the Relax. I got several different sets of that for different people. Over here, I sort of got things somewhat organized in a little bit of a fashion that I know what's going on, so that I can make it a little bit quicker. So, all right, I am gonna put it on fast mode and put these baskets together, and I'll show you how they look when they're done. All right, so all done, and you can see my little bags. This guy, I wasn't paying attention, and I put the warning on the front, so don't look at that. I do have two that I didn't have enough shrink wrap for. Hopefully I will find some more shrink wrap in my closet somewhere so that I can do those. Otherwise they'll have to go without it. And you see, this is nice because when you have stuff that's falling over, you can still put it in nice and tight, and it looks good. So these are all my bags. You can see, again, like my grandsons. So this is nice. Everything still just sort of fits together, easy. And then I've got all of these ones here, and they all turned out super cute. And I feel like I did a good job. I think I had enough, but as you can see, I used everything. Again, don't look at my pan from my spaghetti last night. I do need to clean that. But Yeah, see, I used everything. I feel, except for my books that I'm keeping, and I feel good. I feel like the baskets came out nice. I had plenty for them all. I did, I have been preparing for Easter for quite some time. I start early with holidays because, as you can see, between my family and then all my nursing leaders that work for me, I do have a lot of baskets that I do for every holiday. But I enjoy it. I like to give them something to let them know that I'm thinking about them and that they're important to me. And I really love the shrink wrap. So I found it for the first time. Like, I remember doing my daughter's very first Easter basket with it. Not sure where I found it then, but since then I've always used it. Anytime I do a basket for anything, I use the shrink wrap, and it's beautiful. $1 at the Dollar Tree, and it really makes your basket look nice. All right, hey, listen, if you guys like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. Please stay safe. Know that I'm thinking about you. And good luck to everybody. Take care of yourselves. Wash your hands. Stay inside. And I'll see you later. Bye.